According to Einstein, light travels from one place to another in the form of A. Waves, B. Particles, C. Photons, D. It was not his discovery. Central spot of Newton's rings? A. Bright, B. Dark for large wavelength, C. Dark, D. Bright for large wavelength. The locus of all points in a medium having the same phase of vibration is called a crest, B. Trough, C. Wavelength, D. Wave front. Two sources of light are coherent if they emit rays of A. Same wavelength, B. Same amplitude of vibration, C. Same wavelength with constant phase difference, D. Same amplitude and wavelength. The velocity of light was determined accurately by A. Newton, B. Michelson, C. Huygens, D. Young. Appearance of color in thin films is due to A. Diffraction, B. Dispersion, C. Interference, D. Polarization. A light ray traveling from rarer to denser medium suffers a phase change of A. 60, B. 90, C. 180, D. 45. Diffraction effect is A. More for a round edge, B. Less for a round edge, C. More for a sharp edge, D. Less for a sharp edge. A diffraction grating has 500 lines per. Its slit spacing or grating element will be equal to A. 500 millimeters, B. 5x10, C. 2x10, D. 2x10. Light on passing through a Polaroid is A. Plane polarized, B. Unpolarized, C. Circularly polarized, D. Elliptically polarized. Diffraction fringes are A. Equally spaced, B. Distance between them increases, C. Distance between them decreases, D. They are adjacent with no space in between. A thing that emits its own light is A. Luminous, B. Non-luminous, C. Incandescent, D. Bright. Which experiment shows that wavelength of light is smaller than that of sound? A. Diffraction, B. Polarization, C. Interference, D. Reflection. When a force is parallel to the direction of motion of the body, then work done on the body is A. 0, B. Minimum, C. Infinity, D. Maximum. The average power and instantaneous power become equal if work is done at any rate, B. At variable rate, C. At uniform rate, D. At high rate. Proton, electron, neutron, and A particles have same momentum. Which of them have highest Ke? A proton, B. Electron, C. Neutron, D. A particle. Work done by variable force is determined by dividing A force into small interval, B. Displacement into small interval, C. Both force and displacement into small intervals, D. Force into small and displacement into large intervals.
The escape velocity of a body in gravitational field of Earth is independent of its mass, B. The angle at which it is thrown, C. Both its mass and the angle at which it is thrown, D. Gravitational field of Earth.
The source of geothermal energy is A. Decay of radioactive element in the Earth, B. Compression of material in the Earth, C. Residual loss of the Earth, D. All of these. Work done by the force of friction is A. Always positive, B. Always negative, C. Positive only for small frictional force, D. Positive only for large frictional force. If velocity is doubled, then a momentum increases 4 times and KE increases 2 times. B momentum and KE remain same. C momentum increases 2 times and KE increases constant. D momentum increases 2 times and KE increases for time. Which of the following is not conservative? Force, a friction, B electric, C gravitational, D magnetic.
When arrow is released from its bow, its energy is transformed from a heat energy to KEB elastic PE to K. C polemical energy to elastic PE dK to elastic PE.
The work done by friction is a positive, B negative, C 0, D none of these. The dimension of power is a mLt, B mult, C mult, D none of these.